Hello my dear friends, so we are now into class 7 of chapter number 4. Previous class mein we understood what was EIS and what is DSS. Now today let us start with another concept. Now let's break the chain of information systems and let us now talk about a fresh question, which is credit card payment mechanism. Sir, we have used credit cards for many times, sir, and we know one basic difference between credit card and a debit card. Sir, a debit card mein you can swipe, you can use it, you can withdraw the money only if you have balance in your bank account. But credit card mein bank will be generally giving you one limit based on your credit worthiness, based on your repayment capacity, and up to that limit you can always withdraw the money, sir. So let us understand what is the mechanism which banks follow for credit card, sir. Now, say for example, sir, today I go to Reliance Fresh to buy some vegetables, sir. Okay. Now, sir, imagine I have purchased vegetables worth, say for example, rupees 100. Now, I am making that payment to Reliance Fresh in the form of credit card, sir. Now, obvious logic is Reliance Fresh will be having one swiping machine. Correct? Reliance Fresh will be having one swiping machine. Sir, technical bhasha mein we call this as point of sale terminal. We call this as point of sale terminal. So can I say, jaise I give him the card, he will swipe the card against the machine, sir. Next, sir, now imagine the card which I gave him was belonging to SBI. So can I say I have given the SBI card to Reliance Fresh and Reliance Fresh has swiped the card against the machine. Now what is exactly happening? Now swiping machine might be given by somebody, obviously Reliance Fresh ka banker. Now that Reliance Fresh ka banker, say for example, is ICICI Bank. So that swiping machine is asking to ICICI Bank, boss, PJ has come to our store, he has purchased 100 rupees ka kothmir, he has purchased 100 rupees ka vegetables, can we give him? Now can I say, ICICI might be wondering, boss, how will I come to know whether his credit limit is exhausted or not? तो इसका मतलब है ICICI has to maintain another network with whom, sir? SBI. ICICI has to maintain another network with whom, sir? SBI, and ask him कि SBI, there is one of your customer who has come to our customer, that is PJ has come to Reliance Fresh to buy so and so vegetables, whether he is having that much limit or not, kindly tell us. So can I say SBI will be like, हाँ भाई उसको उतना limit है, and this information will be passed on to swiping machine, and from here those slips will be generated. Slips मतलब transaction slip I am talking about, sir. These slips का 2 prints will be taken up. One print will be kept by Reliance Fresh, one print will be given to PJ, sir, that is your customer, sir. Can I say the print which was given to Reliance Fresh, uske upar customer has to put his signature. Yes, nowadays we use PIN number, sir, but can I say still in our material thoda old transaction is going on, sir, and old explanation is going on where we used to sign on the slip, sir. So signed slip will be given to Reliance Fresh. Now my question to you people is, today, sir, PJ has received, that is customer has received vegetable. Reliance Fresh has only received what? The transaction slip. Now the question is whether he wanted money or he wanted transaction slip. Answer is he wants money. But उसको मिला क्या? उसको मिला transaction slip, है ना? तो do you think credit card transaction is over? Answer is no. तो इसका मतलब when it will get over? Sir, it will get over at that time where Reliance Fresh actually receives what, sir? Money. तो इसका मतलब है transaction slip से लेकर up to money there will be some another transactions which will happen, sir. Another stages which will happen which ensure that last में Reliance Fresh receives the money. Now question is, what are those stages? है ना? How many stages में this transaction processing will happen? How credit card mechanism generally works? How many stages are there? है ना? How Reliance Fresh will last receive money? है ना? These are some unanswered questions. This is what we have to understand in these answers. Today we have to understand the credit card, the untold story. Credit card, the untold story. we have to lift the corporate wheel to understand what exactly is happening behind this credit card transaction, sir. So let us lift the corporate wheel, let us read or let us understand what is this untold story all about, sir. Sir, so up to here if you have understood, can I say what has happened, sir? PJ has gone to Reliance Fresh ke paas he has swiped the card, swiping machine has asked the question to ICICI, ICICI said to SBI, SBI has authorized, and ICICI has created a transaction slip through this machine, sir. Sir, ये जो entire stage which I have told you is called authorization. What is this stage called as, sir? Authorization. So tell me, sir, in authorization stage में what has happened, sir? Customer has taken the goods, Reliance Fresh has got the transaction slip. Clear है बच्चा? Now, sir, second stage में what will happen, sir? Now Reliance Fresh in a day, can I say many customers might be swiping the card. So Reliance will be collecting all those transaction slips and last में है ना उसका एक बैच दे विल प्रिपेयर, उसका एक ग्रुप दे विल प्रिपेयर. किसका ग्रुप आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट? ट्रांजैक्शन स्लिप का ग्रुप दे विल प्रिपेयर एंड गिव इट टू हुम, सर? ICICI. नाउ व्हाट विल हैपन, सर? है ना, ICICI हैज टू फॉरवर्ड दिस टू हुम, सर? SBI, सर. नाउ माय क्वेश्चन टू यू पीपल इज, do you think in India only SBI is the only entity which is issuing credit card? Answer is no. There are n number of entities which are issuing credit card. When I say entity, I mean by banking institution I am talking about, sir. Can I say we have Kotak Mahindra, we have HDFC, we have Axis Bank, we have ICICI Bank, we have Standard Chartered Bank, we have Yes Bank, है ना? So there are various banks which are issuing what, sir? Credit cards, sir. So can I say a person who was having credit card will be very happy with Yes Bank rather than having a debit card, sir, if at all the issue, sir. Anyway, so now my question to you people is, so ICICI cannot maintain network with only one bank. ICICI has to maintain network with all the banks. Now ICICI is like, boss, I should concentrate more on my business rather than maintaining network with all these people. No, not possible. हम इतने लोगों के साथ नेटवर्क मेंटेन नहीं करेंगे. I cannot maintain network with these many people. So here comes another entity which is your card, or here comes another entity which is your Visa. Sorry, sir. Here comes another entity which is your Visa, or you can say MasterCard. Now, what these people will do, sir? They will have the network with ICICI and maintain network with all credit card companies which are there in India, sir. So इसका मतलब है all those batch from Reliance Fresh will come to ICICI. ICICI will forward this to whom, sir? Visa. Visa will do the segregation कि how many belongs to SBI, how many belongs to Axis, how many belongs to others. So can I say it is acting like a clearing house in the case of banks, sir. Okay, sir, this stage is what I mean by batching. So can I say batching में what has happened, sir? All the slips of user, all the slips of customers have been collected. एक group बना and that group was given to whom, sir? ICICI. ICICI has forwarded this to whom, sir? Visa, and Visa has given to corresponding bank, sir. Did we receive the payment? No. So when will credit card transaction come to an end? When we receive the payment. When I say we, it means Reliance Fresh. Clear है बच्चा? Now, third step, sir. Now can I say like this? है ना? Today the slip has come to whom, sir? SBI. Now how much money we are asking, sir? 100 rupees we are asking, sir. Okay, sir. 100 rupees we are asking. अच्छी बात है. तो let's give that 100 rupees. Now tell me, sir, to complete this credit card transaction, how many entities are playing an important role? So you may say entity number 1 is SBI. Why? Agar they don't issue the card, then where you will swipe, and if you don't swipe, how it will proceed further. Can I say second important role played by what is this total transaction is Visa / MasterCard, because they are maintaining network with many people. And can I say ICICI Bank? Sir, SBI has given the card, but can I say there should be something called swiping machine also, which is given by whom, sir? ICICI. So can I say these three entities are playing very important role in credit card transaction mechanism, sir. Now my question to you people is, are they, है ना sir, are they a section 8 company, are they a charitable institutes, or they are here to make profits? They are here to make profits. So Reliance Fresh is asking 100 and SBI giving 100, so these three entities are doing what job? What they are getting out of it, sir? Obviously, sir, they get nothing, sir. तो इसका मतलब है something should happen, some discount fees, some fees has to be collected. Now how it will be done, sir? Now SBI will ensure that they don't give 100 totally to Visa or Mastercard. Sir, उस 100 में से they will deduct some amount. Now say 2 rupees, है ना, they are deducting as their commission charges, and last में we are paying how much, sir? 98 rupees, sir. Now remember one point, sir, ये जो 2 रुपया 2 rupees which has been deducted, this will be shared between SBI and also Visa based upon their understanding, based upon their memorandum of agreement between whom, sir? SBI and Visa, sir. So now tell me, sir, 100 was asked, 98 was delivered. Now do you think Visa will deduct any further amount? Answer is no. उसका part of commission is also deducted by whom, sir? SBI. तो इसका मतलब Visa will give 98 rupees to whom, sir? ICICI. Sir, this stage is called as clearing. This stage is called clearing. मतलब against the batch SBI has cleared the amount. Against the batch SBI has cleared the amount and gave it to whom, sir? ICICI. Now my question to you people is, can ICICI retain the amount? Answer is no. Again ICICI has to give to whom, sir? Reliance Fresh. Now do you think ICICI is a charitable institute? No. तो इसका मतलब while giving the money they will also deduct their commission charges. Say for example 1 rupee and they will be giving what, sir? 97 to whom, sir? Reliance Fresh. And today Reliance Fresh has received 97, and this is what I mean by funding. So if somebody asks you कि boss, how many stages are there in credit card mechanism, so your answer should be there are 4 stages in credit card mechanism. Stage number 1, authorization, batching, clearing, funding. Sir, 4 stages are there, sir. Clear. Authorization में what has happened, sir? Authorization में only one transaction slip was generated and customer has taken the goods. Second stage में what has happened, sir? All the batches, all the slips were converted in the form of one batch group, and that group was given to ICICI. Through ICICI it was given to ICICI, and ICICI in turn has given to SBI through with the Visa / Mastercard, sir. Then what has happened, sir? SBI has given money against that, deducting their fee, sir, to Visa, and Visa has given this to whom, sir? ICICI. How much they have given, sir? 98. And ICICI has deducted 1 rupee and given to Reliance Fresh. That stage was called as funding. So how many stages are there, ma? 4 stages are there, sir. Cool, sir. Sir, every person here has some name attached to it, sir. Sir, PJ, the customer, है ना, is named as card holder. Why he is called as card holder? Because he is holding the card. क्या बोल देते सर आप, है ना? Now SBI is called as issuer because these are the people who have issued the credit card, है ना? Sir, Reliance Fresh is called as merchant. Why he is called as merchant, sir? Because he is the shopkeeper who is selling the goods. He is the vendor. Can I say this was called as point of sale terminal? Now ICICI is called as merchants banker. They are called as merchants banker, or you can call them as acquirer. टेक्निकल भाषा है, आपको याद करना पड़ेगा. Merchants banker or acquirer. Sir, Visa / Mastercard, they are called as card network agency. इनको हम बोलेंगे card network agency because their job is to maintain network, and SBI is anyway called as what, sir? Issuer, sir. Now next one more point, sir. ये जो 2 रुपया है which was deducted by SBI, sir, this in technical भाषा is called as discount fee, सॉरी सर, है ना. टेक्निकल भाषा में वी कॉल दिस एज इंटरचेंज फी. व्हाई इट इज कॉल्ड इंटरचेंज फी? बिकॉज इट इज शेयर्ड बिटवीन whom? टू पीपल. इंटर मतलब शेयर्ड बिटवीन टू पीपल. हु आर दोस टू पीपल? SBI एंड वीजा. सर ये जो ₹1 है, दिस इज कॉल्ड डिस्काउंट फी. दिस इज कॉल्ड डिस्काउंट फी. Now these are some technical words which you have to remember, sir, है ना. So if you can remember this, then credit card transaction mechanism is over. So can I say untold story is now told. Corporate wheel has been now lifted, है ना. So tell me, sir, how many stages? 4 stages. Now what are the ways in which ICAI can ask these questions to you, sir? Sir, first they can ask you a direct question. You have to write down कि there are 4 stages in credit card पेमेंट मैकेनिज्म, है ना. स्टेज 1, 2, 3, 4 उसको डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. अनदर वे ऑफ आस्किंग दिस क्वेश्चन कुड बी MCQ, है ना. सर दे कैन गिव यू 4 स्टेजेस इन ए jumbled manner and maybe they will ask you arrange them in a chronological manner. Now these type of MCQs are already discussed in our MCQ book. So I request you people, जैसे complete this answer, search for those corresponding set of MCQs so that revision of this answer is done now itself, sir. Another way of asking this question could be कि they will test you कि which stage पे what is happening. For example, in which stage, है ना, Reliance Fresh, that is the merchant will receive the money. My answer is in funding. In which stage, है ना, discount fee is deducted. My answer is in funding. In which stage interchange fee is deducted. My answer is in stage 3, clearing. In which stage, है ना, sir, customer is billed. क्रेडिट कार्ड में कस्टमर इज बिल्ड, सर अगेन इन 4th स्टेज, दैट इज फंडिंग. इन विच स्टेज कस्टमर रिसीव्स द गुड्स, सर इन स्टेज 1, दैट इज ऑथराइजेशन. इन विच स्टेज, है ना, सर ट्रांजैक्शन स्लिप्स आर जनरेटेड. आंसर इज अगेन ऑथराइजेशन. ऐसा यू शुड बी थरो विद द कॉन्सेप्ट, सर. इज दिस पॉइंट क्लियर, सर? नाउ सर दिस is how a mechanism works for credit card. Now this you have seen in offline market. When I say offline market, matlab you go to physical store and buy and swipe, sir. Sir, same process will be also following in what, sir? Online market, that is the websites when you buy, sir. Only difference would be what, sir? We will not have swiping machines, we will be having some payment gateway, sir, है ना. So through payment gateway this payment will happen, sir. Sir, only one additional point we have to understand in online market is कि we have to ensure there is a proper security. There is a proper security, hence we follow one standard, है ना, which is created, which is provided by whom, sir? Visa and Mastercard. They both have addressed these concerns, come up for the proper security in the online market, and this standard is what I mean by secure electronic transaction standard, sir. Maybe this can also be asked in your MCQ, sir. I hope you understood this credit card payment mechanism wala answer. So please ensure that you draw this diagram in a proper manner, sir. So can I say very simple manner में we have completed this answer, sir, है ना. Sir, more about any doubts etc. you can always contact me on my email ID, which is praveenjain22@gmail.com. And any updates you can always visit onto my blog, which is praveen-jain.blogspot.in. And I request you all people to subscribe to our YouTube channel, because day in day out I will be uploading now new videos, sir. And channel ka name is Praveen, or you can say PJ Classes. You just write down PJ Classes, you will be finding me there, sir, है ना. So thank you very much for your patience listening. Till then, goodbye. फिर मिलेंगे चलते चलते.